Hi all! Welcome to my first vlog. We finally went to her place, and she was busy playing games for 20 minutes. While she enjoyed her time, we grabbed Charmoru and Creamy Laban. The weather changed, and it started pouring heavily. We checked on my sister, who was still having fun. We tried the Hammer arcade game, and my dad smashed it, setting a new record. We had dinner, spent quality time, and enjoyed the moment. That's it for today's family vlog. If you liked it, like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.